Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I show you how I use the leftover materials from this recent headboard project to spruce up a plain full-length mirror that I already had at home. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. So the first thing I did was use a spray adhesive to cover the mirror frame with strips of mattress pad. Next, I covered my mattress pad with batting. Here, I'm using my electric stapler to attach the batting to the frame of the mirror. Once I stapled one end of my batting to the front of my frame, I then flipped my mirror over, stapled the opposite end to the back of my mirror, and then I cut away the excess. Next, I used that same technique to attach my fabric. If one of my staples did not make its way all the way through the frame, I did use a hammer to help push the staple all the way through. I then used my stapler to help me create my tufted diamond design. As you can see, I didn't do any measuring. I simply added 2 rows of the staples, then 1, then 2, and I continued rotating until I had made my way all the way around my mirror. I then covered these staples with the silver gem buttons that I picked up from Michael's. In order to hide the staples on the section of the frame closest to the mirror, I decided to use more of the fabric to make trim. I attached my trim with generous amounts of hot glue. To complete the project, I removed the hot glue strings, cleaned my mirror, and here's the finished look. I think that this tufted floor mirror turned out beautiful, but what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.